Friends, today I am here with Mr. Ketan Marwadi. He is the CEO of one of the leading stock market companies, stock broking companies, and right from the stock market to education sector and many more sectors like MCX, NCDX, Mr. Ketan Marwadi has pioneered it all. So today, for this presentation of mine, I am going to have Mr. Marwadi in a round of questionnaire. Namaste, sir. Sir, the first question I would like to ask you is that there are many family disputes happening in our country, and family disputes in industrial families. So, sir, what do you think is the effect of such family disputes on the corporate sector, like on the open stock market, and how does it affects the working of the firm?
And definitely it's a commonly asked question, and the answer would be negative, because whenever there is a family dispute, the company, the investor, the stakeholder never likes it for various reasons. One of the basic reasons is whenever there is a dispute, there is no cohesion in the management, and mostly they will be fighting for different reasons. And the focus on the company, the growth, the corporate governance will all be lost.
Yeah.
So definitely nobody likes whenever there is a family dispute. Usually we look at it very negatively.
So the second thing I would like to ask you is that I have taken Reliance war, the Anil Ambani and the Mukesh Ambani war, as a case study. So sir, I would like you to give expertise on the matter that how their war affected their share valuation, their market capitalization and related things. So
see, the Reliance was a classic example, and you can say mother of all the disputes in the corporate world.
yes.
Definitely when two brothers were fighting for the disputes over the family business,
Yeah.
and market valued it very wrongly, very negatively. The market cap went down drastically. The projects were, there were internal fights in the governments and the projects being undertaken by them. So definitely that is a unique case. One must study and understand that this is the worst thing ever could happen to any industry was a Reliance case. So definitely it's looked at very negatively by the investors, by the corporate world, by the outside investors, by the regulator.
Okay, sir, the next question I would like to ask you is that how are the investors in different companies, the investors in say Reliance company, investors in RNRL company, are affected adversely or positively? So throw some light over that topic.
See, basically every investor gets affected, because
Yeah.
whenever there is a dispute, the performance of the company goes down, the respect from the bankers go down, so they don't have the easy access to the capital. So both the companies, investor would definitely be having a negative impact. But whenever there is a court decision favoring one company or the other, or one party or the other,
Yeah.
then the shareholder of one party tends to gain rather than other party.
Sir, it is many times seen that most of these such type of family disputes in industrial families are occurring more in our country, that is India, and these type of family disputes are not much seen in the foreign countries. So what do you think is the reason that such family disputes are taking place more in our countries?
It's not absolutely true that such
Okay.
dispute doesn't occur elsewhere.
No, they do,
It's
but-
highlighted more in India.
Yes.
And primarily because in India we still work in a family business concept, collective business kind of
Yeah.
family business concept
family
still
business and all
existence
that.
in India, whereas in abroad people go independent right from their childhood or once they graduate. So that is the biggest cause, and as you prosper, as you see more power, people tend to fight over the power. So India
And
is
then
more
the
to-
factors like because and ego problems and
Yeah, because it all comes with the prosperity, it comes with the power. So, and India is more prevalent because we still run in a family-owned kind of culture where we live in joint family, we have joint family business. Our business are inherited from our forefathers.
forefathers. Yeah.
Whereas it's not the case always in the developed country where they do it independently. As you would see, the culture in India is quite different from the culture elsewhere.
Sir, I would like to ask you one last question. Sir, what do you think is a possible solution to such family fights? Like out of court settlement or court settlement? an arbitrary